What's up? I'm back at the Walmart parking lot. Yeah, today's Monday. And as you can see, the puddle has gotten bigger. I'm not gonna drive fast through it this time. I'm just gonna go real slow, but you can probably tell how deep it is. Yeah, let's look at that. Let's do a drive. Yeah, I had some dried up mud on the tire, so I'm washing it up. Alright. Actually, that's not so bad, at least. I mean, it's not even to the hub yet. All that water. Yep, and that car corral's drowning. Yeah, well, actually, man, I'm trying to think if I have my tape measure inside. If I do, it'll be in the toolbox. And I'm gonna see how deep that water is without, you know, walking through it. I guess I can park over by the median on the other side and then just measure how deep it is from that side. So I'm gonna park her now. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as it turned out, I have the tape measure in the other truck in the glove box. I just remembered, I thought maybe I have it on the toolbox in the back of the truck, the small one. But I would say the standing water should be, I don't know, I'd say like 8 inches, 10 inches, maybe a foot. It's hard to tell. Like I said, I'm not gonna dip in there because I only have the right shoes on. But that cart looks like he's stranded there. As all these other carts. Yeah, I think you gotta drive a two-wheel drive truck through that. And it looks like they pick up that abandoned truck with that flat tire. Okay, over there it's not as bad. So I ain't gonna drive slow over there. Yeah. Yeah, so I got to do more shopping and see what I can put for layaway. So this will be all, so see ya.